Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I shoot all my videos on this. It's my iPhone Pro Max 13, and I wanted to put a screen protector on it. So I was able to get this fantastic little device that doubles as a phone stand, and it perfectly puts a screen protector and even lens protector on your phone. You know I've got the shakiest hands in the business, so this saved me from messing up my phone when I was adding a screen protector. Now, I'm not a professional when it comes to doing this, but you're gonna see my take on how to put it on, and we're gonna kick it off right about now. So a lot of the rest of the video is going to be showing overlays of me actually putting on the screensaver and me putting on the lens cover. However, the rest of this video is also shot on my iPhone 13 Pro Max with those items on, and I want to show you how they don't degrade the quality of the video. You're still getting great quality imagery despite having a screen protector and a lens protector. That's important to me because I make my living making videos. I can't have a decayed or degraded quality of video. And of course, I want my phone to be protected. We put most of our emphasis on a good phone. A phone is a big investment. You don't want a cracked screen. You don't want to be the person with the scratched screen. And let's face it, if you put your phone and your keys in the same pocket, the screen is going to get scratched. Well, now with a good screen protector, you're taken care of. And even me with the shakiest of hands, it's no effort for me to use this little device to basically close, pull the backing away, and then you press down on one spot and it covers everything. Then all I had to do was take the microfiber cloth, wipe it down, get rid of any little bubbles, and I can use the device to show my phone. The device itself doubles as a phone holder. So a really fantastic product. I'm very excited. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You know how much I care about a high quality phone. You know how much I don't want to mess up my phone. I'm only going to do videos like this with products that really work. I'm not going to risk it and use a product that's going to risk the quality of my recording and the quality of my phone. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we own and we love, and guess what? This one serves as about the best of the best. It's an easy device. It comes with the screen covers, it comes with the lens covers, and it is customized to your particular phone. There's no fuss, no muss. The only muss is you must get it. All right, folks. Easy to use, straightforward, a simple device that we all needed long ago because I'm sure we've all put a haphazard screen protector on our phone before. Plus, for whatever reasons, this seems to give an incredible image quality, okay? It improves the image quality of your phone, and that's nice as well. All right, folks, to finish off the video, I'm switching back to my backup phone, but I'm really impressed with the clarity of the image. Once we put this on, it's actually clearer, and the fact that it fit perfectly. So go ahead and pick yours up, folks. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I am not an installer, so watch their instructional video on how to put it on, but I think I did a pretty good job. Thanks again for watching. Pick yours up, and adios, amigos.